Hi guys, welcome back to Craft It Up. On this video, you'll learn how to single crochet, but you'll also learn what a foundation row is, how to count your chains, and how to turn your work. You'll need a yarn and your crochet hook. So let's get started. On the previous tutorial, we learned how to make chains. And what we're going to do right now is we are going to use those chains to make a foundation row, which is like the first row of any project. Okay, so in this case, we are going to make a foundation row with 6 chains. And remember that you always need to count your chains. It's very important to do so. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so we have our foundation row right there. And if we need to count our chains, okay, you can do it like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This loop where my hook is not a chain, okay? It's just where my hook is. All right, so we are going to make a single crochet now. So the way we are going to make our single crochet is we are going to insert our hook into the first chain next to where the yarn is coming out from, okay? See, the yarn on my hook is coming out of this chain right here. So we are going to insert the hook in the next chain, okay? So insert your hook, and then you're going to push it underneath your yarn, and then you are going to pull that yarn through the loop, okay? Then you are going to wrap your yarn around your hook again, and then you are going to pull the hook through the 2 loops right there. Okay, again, insert your hook in the next chain, pull the yarn through the chain. Okay, you should have 2 loops right there. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Again, insert your hook through the next chain, grab that yarn right there and pull it through the chain. You should have 2 loops right there. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Insert, pull your yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Insert hook, pull your yarn through the chain, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops. And there you go. You have your first row of single crochets. When you finish doing that, you always need to turn your work around like this. Okay, so that you may continue. So we turn around and we're going to do this again. Insert your hook in the next chain, not the one where your yarn is coming out of, but the next one, okay? So insert, pull the yarn through. You should have 2 loops. yarn over, and pull through. Insert your hook through the next chain, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through the 2 loops. Insert, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. Insert through the chain, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull through. And you have a second row of single crochets. Then you will turn your work around again and keep doing so, okay, so that you can practice your single crochets. And I will see you on the next tutorial where we will learn half double crochets and double crochets. If this was helpful, guys, and you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep watching for more tutorial for beginner crochets. Thank you. Bye-bye.